The wisest thing you can do as a man is look at past men, what they have done, especially great men, to pave their path. And the crazy part is that you can take that ancient wisdom, apply it to yourself in the modern world, and I guarantee you, you will outperform everyone else. For example, let me give you one. This is from Alexander the Great. The quote goes, "With the right attitude, self-imposed limitations vanish." Alexander the Great, being one of the most ambitious men in history probably, a great conqueror, is telling you that whatever you set your mind to, whatever you want to do, the only limitation is yourself. And as soon as you apply the right tenacity, focus, discipline, persistence, all those limitations vanish. They're gone. Impossible is nothing, and the only thing that's stopping you from achieving whatever you set your mind to is having the persistence to do that one goal. You shouldn't have that goal for a week or a month and then flip-flop. No, whatever goal, you have it for the next year, for the next decade, for the next 2 decades. I promise you, you'll reach it. This takes me to number 2, becoming an autodidact. These are people that are self-taught, that understand that education doesn't just stop at a school, and they continue to pursue knowledge because of the passion they have in whatever goal they're trying to achieve. And there's a lot of famous autodidacts. Thomas Edison, Benjamin Franklin, Leonardo da Vinci, Frida Kahlo, even Bill Gates are self-proclaimed autodidacts. Some of the greatest men and women in the world have become self-taught because they understand that if you want to achieve something and be persistent enough, you need more information. You have to understand that you should learn for the passion of it and not think that it's a hassle or that it stops at school. You will never stop learning, or at least you should pursue to continue to learn. And today, there's no blockage to that. It's easier than ever. In their times, that was hard, right? Access to information was hard. Today, with the internet, 3, take care of your responsibilities. Being reliable and dependable is important in any relationship. And I'm talking about between your friends, between your family, between your colleagues, between your employees if you're a leader. Be that provider. Put that responsibility on yourself, and you will be amazed as to the shoes you will fill. If you always see yourself as less than, that's the shoes you're going to fill. Again, those limitations, right? See yourself as that full provider, as the man that can make it happen. You're that guy. You're going to fill those shoes. 5, work hard and work persistent. Do not fall into the lie that you're being fed on social media, right? Oh, work-life balance. Bro, that's BS. They're lying to you, bro. Work-life balance will allow you to just coast through life. You'll do bare minimum. You have to work hard and be persistent at it. There's never been a shortcut in life, and anybody that sells you otherwise is not trying to be great or build something great for themselves that can actually provide and bring value. They're not trying to do that. They're just trying to coast. They're just barely trying to make it. But the reality is, in history, if you've ever wanted to build anything great, you have to work hard at it and you have to be persistent at it for a very long time, both in personal relationships and also in your professional field. And finally, number 6, practice self-control. Being able to control your emotions and your actions in every situation will give you actual total control. The moment that you lose control, whether it be through anger or sadness, or you get emotional, you get upset, you get jealous, whoever that other person did that or elicited that in you, they have the control. They have your reins. They know how to pull your tugs. They know how to pull your chains. You have to understand, you have to remain poised, elegant in every situation, because it also allows you to think clearly. Because in these situations, you are in some sort of confrontational situation. You have to be able to think and process clearly to make sure you're going to make the right decision. Learning how to control your emotions as a man is a superpower that not enough guys are talking about.